Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing another meal prep. So last weekend I did a meal prep as well, and it was so nice to have all these meals ready in the fridge for after work or to take to work. So I thought it would be a good idea to do another meal prep this weekend and save myself some time for during the week. So let's get started. I'm going to show you all the ingredients that I will be using. The first dish that I am going to prepare is going to be a creamy tuna pasta salad. So right now I'm waiting for my water to boil so I can cook the pasta, and in the meantime I'm going to dice the red onion and the cucumber. Now in a separate bowl I'm going to add 2 spoons of sour cream. I am also going to chop some spring onions. So our pasta is ready now. I'm going to set this aside and start preparing the ingredients for the next meal. And the next meal I am going to prepare is going to be a beef stir fry with rice and veggies. Now I'm going to season the beef with salt, pepper, paprika, everyday seasoning and garlic. I'm also going to add some soya sauce and cornflour. And a little bit of sesame oil. Now I'm going to set the beef aside and chop all the vegetables. Now that I'm done chopping the veggies, I'm going to put this aside and finish the pasta salad. I'm going to add the tuna, onion, cucumber and spring onions. And now I am going to season it with salt, pepper and paprika. So after mixing it all together, you can then decide if you want to add more sour cream or mayonnaise. I am just going to add a bit more of mayonnaise. So I got 4 portions of this tuna pasta salad, and I also have about 2 more portions in here which we are going to have today. And now I am going to finish the beef stir fry. Our rice is cooking over here. I am going to fry the beef. Now I'm going to add the teriyaki sauce. Because my teriyaki sauce is almost finished, I just added some water and I'm going to mix it to make sure I get everything out. Next I'm going to prepare some overnight oats for breakfast, and I'm going to start by adding the oats. And I like to add protein powder as well, so I am going to add 1 scoop into each. And I'm also going to add a few drops of these, it's in vanilla flavor. Next I'm going to add the blueberries and strawberries. You can also add these at the end once you take it out of the fridge and you are ready to eat it, but I like to add it before. Now I am going to add the milk and I make sure that it is all covered. If you wait a little bit, you can see that the milk goes down to the bottom and it is not fully covering the oats, so I'm going to add a little bit more. Now I'm going to add some chia seeds. I'm also going to add a little bit of my protein word granola, which is in chocolate flavor. These jars are quite big, which is why I didn't fill it all the way up, but this will be a really filling and delicious breakfast. If you want it to be a bit more sweeter, you can add some honey as well. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you are feeling motivated to do your meal prep for the week. Trust me, you are not going to regret spending a few hours in the kitchen and then enjoying these delicious meals during the week. If you want to see more meal prep videos, healthy snacks and healthy dinner ideas, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you soon.